Hi, good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? Actually, now I am coming to introduce one of the best university in UK. That is Birmingham City University. This Birmingham City University is located in Birmingham City. Birmingham City is the second largest city in England, and also Birmingham City University is the top most modern universities in UK. And also in Birmingham City University and Birmingham City, we had less cost of living when compared to the London. We will save approximately 600 to 800 pounds approximately as the cost of living when compared to the London. And coming to the Birmingham City University, in this Birmingham City University we had the lot of courses like MSc in Artificial Intelligence, MSc Data Science, MSc Cyber Security, and also MSc Engineering and Management, and also MSc Construction and Management. And also this program contains the programs like MBA International, MSc Accounting and Finance, MSc Digital Marketing, MSc Artificial Intelligence also. In this Birmingham City University, we had 1-year courses are also there, and also 2 years courses with placement is also there. And coming to the eligibility criteria, we must have 55% in our bachelor's. And also for placement program, we must have 60% in our bachelor's. Coming to the English proficiency requirement, there is no need of any English proficiency like IELTS, TOEFL, anything. If you had 65% in our 12th standard. And also Birmingham City University accepted MOI. So don't wait again. This is the best university, and also Birmingham City is the best city in UK. So for more details, contact Success Path Overseas Consultancy, Vijayawada. Start our application process today for September intake. Thank you.